We got them in early unboxing. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning into today's video, man. If you guys are new right now, what I need you to do, man, is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss out on any other content that we got. Today, we got something early, like I said in the intro, man, something real early for you guys. It was supposed to release this month, actually, but it got pushed back a little bit more to the right. We're going to talk about all the details in this unboxing right here, man. But like I said, sub up, hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on no more content, no more early reviews. And we got something else coming early, and I cannot wait to see it. It'll be the first time I have it in my collection. And of course, it's one of them retros. So I gave you guys a hint to stay tuned for the later unboxings on the channel. Please leave a huge like on today's video, especially if you guys want to keep seeing early unboxings, early looks, and of course, some early on feeds brought to you by your boy, The Vintage. Head over to IG and Twitter. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. And man, please go check out the clothing brand, Unknown Collections. We got a bunch of stuff over there. And later on this month, we got some new stuff dropping as well. Go browse the site, go get something that you like, and it'll be greatly appreciated, man. So all out of the way, let's go ahead and jump right into today's unboxing. Brought to you by the homie GRAIL Chef. I got these joints from him. Early look for you guys. And shouts out to Jay the Sneaker Guy, for actually connecting me with GRAIL Chef, man. So shouts out to both of them guys. And like I said, we're gonna get right into this Air Jordan 1 unboxing, man. Early look style. All right, guys, we're gonna do this real raw, real uncut for y'all. I want you guys to get my initial reaction because these Air Jordan 1s is it's one of them weird ones, you know what I'm saying? It's like, I think I like them, but then I'm like, yo, I think I already got them in my collection type stuff, you know what I mean? So we're gonna get into it. Maybe it's one of those impulse things, or maybe it's because this was supposed to be the first Air Jordan 1 to release in 2022, and I think it still is. I think this is still the first Air Jordan 1 to release in 2022. Of course, we just got the Air Jordan 13 Core Purples. You guys were going crazy in the comments. There's a lot of weird mixed emotions with them. People was like, yeah, I like them. People like they trash. People like we don't need them. And a lot of people was comparing those to the Hyper Royal Air Jordan 13s that we got last year, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Y'all probably like, yo, stop talking and show us these early Air Jordan 1s. And I appreciate how he packaging things up, secured them things in for me. Got some green bubble paper right here. Yo, you guys see it, you see it. Let's go ahead and fill these things out real quick. We can keep the box right there for now. Here you have it, man. Air Jordan 1 box. You guys already know how it come. And lately, man, with USPS shipping, man, they've been beating the boxes up. They come all dented, scratched, and all types of stuff. But you know, it's neither here nor there. We don't wear the box, we wear the sneakers. And real quick, let's read this official colorway. Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Dark Mariner Blue, black and white. And I got these joints in size 8.5. I usually go with a size 9 in my Air Jordan 1s, but this all the homie had available. I will leave his IG down below, and I was like, yo, I take them, because we definitely got to show the Vintage Squad these Air Jordan 1s early, man. So let's go ahead and get right to it. You guys already know what it is, man. You should know what it is. We have the Air Jordan 1 Mariner Blues in early. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These things are looking beautiful, man. I ain't gonna cap it, y'all. But like I said, it's like one of them shoes. I think I already have it. And I got to do a comparison with the shoe that I'm talking about. And I'm gonna show you guys later in this video as well. So let's go ahead and pull both these out the box real quick. Both these Air Jordan 1s. I'm liking how they come in. This quality feels immaculate. And I think this is the first Air Jordan 1 to drop in 2022. You guys let me know down below in the comment section, but I think it is. I'm for sure it is. And yeah, real quick, yes sir, these things is buttery, man. You got some extra laces, you got the white joints right here, and you have the black. And these things, man, I need you guys down below in the comment section to let me know how y'all feeling about this colorway brought to you by Jordan Brand. The Mariner Blue colorway resembles the Royals a lot, like super crazy resemblance, but the color blocking is different. I actually checked out the Royals before I unboxed these, and I was like, okay, these joints is a little bit different right now as I can see. So bam, man, there we have it, the Air Jordan 1 Royals. I have not worn these in a long time, but you guys see it. So we have the Mariner Blues right here, and we have the Royals, man. And just real quick off of first little looks, off the first comparisons, you guys can see it's a little bit of differences, but it's a lot more similarities between the two sneakers right here. Hey, don't worry about the Royals right now. We're gonna do a full in-depth comparison look over these Mariner Blue joints and the Air Jordan 1 Royals. Cause I already know, man, it's a bunch of new sneakerheads out there that see these new colorways and they're like, yo, I like these more than the OG colorways. I give you guys a huge example. Go watch my Air Jordan 12 Royalty versus the Air Jordan 12 Taxi comparison. And a lot of people said that they like the Royalties better than the Taxis. It blew my mind, but like I said, it's new sneakerheads. It's people that don't really care about those OG colorways that released a long time ago, and they like the new stuff, man. So here you have it, the Air Jordan 1 Mariner Blues, releasing February the 16th. Retail price is still 170 bones, but I'm gonna give you guys a nice little 360 of these guys right here because I ain't gonna cap. I'm liking how these joints is coming. But it's come to a point for me right now, like it's so many shoes that I have in my collection, and now that Jordan Brand's giving this new colorways, I guess you could say, any sneaker I can go in my room right now, look at a drop front, and I'm gonna see some resemblance, some similarities between the sneakers that I have. So these Mariner Blues and the Royals, and like I said, the Air Jordan 12 Royalties and the Air Jordan 12 Taxis, just huge, crazy resemblance. And you've been collecting sneakers for a while. I know you at that point as well. We're like, yo, I already got the sneaker. Man, right now I'm checking the resale value on these and it's still pretty high. I think that's due to the pushbacks and that they have not released yet, of course. But I'm trying to think on how these joints are gonna do on the release date, you know what I mean? So we got the Royals, but now we have these Mariner Blues, which I don't know. I don't know which one I like more, honestly. I do like how they have the color blocking right here. We have some blue hits around the toe box. But one thing about these, the leather quality is not crazy on the toe box nor on the side panels. That's something to like point out right now because on my Royals, them joints is super buttery all over, you know what I'm saying? A crazy quality. If you guys ever had the Air Jordan 1 braids, the Royals are, you know what I'm saying, damn near same quality as far as, you know what I'm saying, the tumbleness of the leather. Man, I'm not gonna lie, I'm thinking that the white laces might look super crazy in these, but I'm liking how the blue laces is coming. My Royals, I always had the black laces, so I'm gonna switch it up. Whenever we do the on feet review, show you guys which one looks better, the white, the blue, or the black laces in these joints right here, man. Real quick, man, I need everybody to drop some fire emojis, drop some trash can emojis. I need to see how y'all feeling about these things right here. Again, shouts out to the homie GRAIL Chef for letting me, you know what I'm saying, grab these joints from him. He had them early. I was like, yo, bro, you gotta send them my way. And we got that transaction good to go. I can definitely see Jordan Brand still pushing back more releases. There's a lot of releases coming around that All-Star weekend. We got the playoff 12s coming. We have these joints coming. We have the Cardinal Reds, the 3s dropping. It's just so much heat, and I could definitely see some pushbacks to the left or the right for some upcoming releases. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, just for these being so similar to the OGs, the Royals, I could definitely see these things doing numbers on the release date. And I'm not too sure if they're gonna be limited, they're gonna be widely available. I don't know what they're gonna do with these. Some of the most recent Air Jordan 1s we have seen released, i.e. the Air Jordan 1 patent breads dropped on resale, and a plethora of other Air Jordan 1s that released last year in 2021. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, man, brought to you straight from the homie GRAIL Chef. And also a huge shout out to Jay the Sneaker Guy for connecting me with the homie GRAIL Chef, man. These joints right here releasing February the 16th, retailing for 170 bucks. I'm glad Jordan Brand kept that retail price same for our Air Jordan 1s, because I already raised it from that 160 price that we was used to a couple years back. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel right now, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any other content we got coming, more early looks, more early unboxings, and let you guys see what we have coming up early for 2022. Head over to my IG and my Twitter. Everything will be linked down below in the description box. And please go check out the clothing brand IG and the website, man, Unknown Collections. We got a lot more stuff to offer, and we got some more stuff coming very soon. I appreciate all of the support. Thanks for tuning in to today's early look. And with all that being said, man, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Peace.